Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave me your comments. Share these videos out everywhere. It would help me greatly. And thank you for being here. The phone numbers are in the description below. Please get those phone numbers and you know what to do. Blow those numbers up. The $2,000 stimulus check, y'all. It's not looking real good. But I'm still got faith that we will get a $2,000 stimulus check. Call me crazy. I just feel like in my heart that we will get it. I'm going to be very disappointed if we don't. It's not a whole lot of good news today. I believe the only way that most politicians will stay in office after Election Day is to call the vote off. That's the only way they won't be voted out of office. Otherwise, I think most of them will be voted out. The Education Secretary, Betsy DeVos, I don't know if I'm saying her name right or not, said yesterday that education is a promise to all students. And she went on to say, if schools are not going to open, they should not be getting the money from the taxes to fund the school system. She goes on to say that she feels that the families should get the money. The families need the money right now. Now I say, I don't believe schools should open until it's 100% safe for the kids and the teachers to go back. And I agree with her. If schools are not open, why are they getting the funding when there's families out there that needs it far more greater than a school system that's closed down? It don't make sense. Y'all, I'm starting to think that when they come back from recess, the Senate, the House, and Donald Trump, they're all going to be fighting over this package so much that it's just going to drag it further down the road, and we're going to have to wait even longer for a bill to be passed into law. Y'all, it's tit for tat. They're all wanting what they want, and the hell with what the American people needs. This is wrong, and this is the reason I think they all will be voted out of office. I'm going to do my part and to make sure it happens. Larry Kudlow, our old buddy, said yesterday, we will definitely be getting another package. He's just not sure at this time what's going to be in it. How long have they had now to be sure of what's going to be in it? Why are they dragging their feet? I believe they're dragging their feet hoping that this whole thing will pass and we won't need it. It's not going to happen. We are the best country in the world, and our government can't take care of us. You got other countries. You got Canada. You got Australia. You got Europe. You got a lot of other countries that's giving their people $2,000 plus checks every month. And we got $1,200, what, 3 or 4 months ago to last all this time? And now they're not wanting to give us anything? This is the best country in the world, right? I just want to make sure. Make sure I didn't wake up in the wrong country. Y'all, that scumbag Buns Eater is still stealing videos. He's still got my videos up. He's still got 2 other people's videos up. And he's getting AdSense money from them. He's making money off of our work. I tried to report him, and it's just so, you got this long form to fill out for each video. That's a lot of work. I am going to do it. I may not get every one done at one time, but I'll get a couple of them done a day until they're all done, and he'll be gone. He's going to lose that channel. I checked into the Fair Use Act, and he's not even in that. He's just plain out stole my videos and just made a new thumbnail for them. Y'all, yesterday I told y'all about the stun guns that I have and the buttons that I have. I woke up this morning, got my video published, yesterday morning, I'm sorry. I woke up yesterday morning, got my video published and everything. Then I went back to bed and took a little nap because I only slept a couple hours. And when I woke up at 10 o'clock, I came back and my surprise was I'm sold out of everything. It went crazy. Crazy in a good way. I want to thank everyone that ordered a stun gun and pins. I thought I had plenty, but I sold out real fast. Now, if you still want a stun gun, you can still go ahead and order them because I've got more on order. It's going to take 7 days for me to get them, and then I'll ship them right on out. Or you can wait, and I'll let y'all know when I get them in. But right now I'm out. I'm happy about that. I just wish I had more right now. But they will be in 7 days. Then I can sell more. And like I said, if you want to go ahead and order them, just know it's going to take me 7 days to get them, and then I'll ship them right out, and you'll get it in a couple of days after that. So it's still, if you want it, order it. You still won't have to wait that long. Y'all, I love you all. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Without you, I wouldn't have this channel. Without you, I wouldn't be selling all these stun guns. And I love you all. What can I say? Without you, I'd be asleep on the couch or in the hospital or something. Thank you all so much. I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.